I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Klarna account can be a bit tricky, but it's straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Payment Methods. Navigate to the Payment Methods section in the app. This is where you can manage all your payment options, including adding a new card. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. Look for the option to add debit card. Tap on it to start entering your card details. Ensure that you have your debit card handy for this step. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as even a small mistake can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything and tap Save or Confirm. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been successfully added. If you encounter an error message, make sure your card is not expired and that you have sufficient funds available. I hope this helps you add your debit card to Klarna easily. Happy shopping!